Interior design is constantly changing, and 2025 brings new trends to explore. This video will guide you through the top 20 trends shaping homes this year. I have listed the best ideas to help you update your space, whether you prefer subtle changes or bold statements. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Stay tuned to see how you can make your home stylish and comfortable with these trends. More brass votive candle holders. Creatively designed, this bird and nest-themed accent piece rests on a tree branch, blending durable iron and polyresin artistry. Its fine craftsmanship enhances any shelf, mantel, or table with a soothing, peaceful ambience. Perfect for gifting, it brings charm to any occasion and is especially thoughtful for Christmas. Chillcat Decorative Hourglass Sand Timer Set. Boost productivity with these versatile hourglass sand timers, perfect for goal-crushing sessions. Use the black timer for focused 25-minute work periods and the gold for 5-minute breaks, fostering better time management. Their minimalist design, with stable wooden stands and felt bases, suits any decor. A thoughtful, practical gift for work, study, or self-care routines. Bright-owned LED fairy lights. Featuring 7-foot flexible silver wires, these battery-operated LED fairy lights deliver warm ambience for decor projects or holiday charm. The energy-efficient lights are safe to touch and boast long-lasting battery life, running over 72 hours. Waterproof and versatile, they're ideal for bedrooms, patios, crafts, or weddings, offering elegance and convenience. Solai Lantern Tiered Pendant Light. Exquisite black lantern chandeliers add a sophisticated touch to foyers, dining rooms, or kitchen islands. With a classic wrought iron frame, adjustable height for high ceilings, and easy assembly, this fixture combines elegance and practicality. Illuminate with 12 bulbs for a grand statement or a cozy glow. White Crown LED Desk Lamp. Enhance your workspace with this eye-friendly LED desk lamp featuring 5 adjustable brightness levels and lighting modes. Its memory function recalls your preferences, while a USB charging port and auto-off timer add convenience. Ideal for reading, studying, or relaxing, this lamp combines practicality with modern design. Rich Projector Light. Transform your space with a 16-color RGB table lamp featuring stunning 3D flame and aurora patterns. Made from durable acrylic, it offers remote-controlled lighting and a modern diamond-cut design. Perfect for creating a cozy or vibrant atmosphere, it's a stylish choice for decor or photography. Art 3D Wall Panels 3D Wall Panel. Add depth to your walls with real 3D diamond pattern panels, crafted from lightweight, durable PVC. These waterproof, fire-resistant tiles are easy to install and ideal for creating accent walls in any room. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, they elevate interiors with a modern, textured aesthetic. YSUIPU Levitating Plant Pots. Impress with a mesmerizing levitating planter that rotates mid-air, perfect for small plants or bonsai trees. Its premium design suits diverse greenery, offering tranquility and modern appeal. A unique gift for any occasion, this floating pot transforms spaces into magical, relaxing havens. Cosmosu 3D LED Digital Wall Clock. Modern and functional, this large digital wall clock displays time, date, and temperature with an adjustable night light and automatic dimming. A remote control allows effortless customization, while the snooze alarm ensures convenience. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, it's a stylish and practical addition. Analia Wall Lights. Rechargeable adhesive wall lights offer stepless dimming and memory functions for customized lighting. Their 360-degree magnetic rotation provides directional light, while easy installation options suit any space. Detachable for use as flashlights or emergency lights, they're a versatile and sleek lighting solution for renters or homeowners. Max Gear Decorative Bookends. Heavy-duty metal construction ensures these bookends hold your books, DVDs, and games upright without bending. The L-shaped design is paired with 4 anti-slip foam pads, keeping them stable while preventing desk scratches. Rounded corners provide safety for your hands and books, and the durable black electrostatic paint offers longevity. With an elegant tree design, they're not just functional but also a stylish addition to any home or office, making them an excellent gift for readers. Momani Charles Indoor Area Rock. Crafted from 100% wool with a cotton/latex blend backing, this handmade rug is both durable and naturally stain-resistant. The timeless herringbone pattern is available in versatile colors, complementing any room decor. Its low-medium pile height of 0.35 inches provides a soft touch while maintaining practicality. Perfect for adding a subtle pop of color, it blends seamlessly with bold accents or enhances neutral spaces, offering an elegant and functional flooring solution. Smugsy Nesting Coffee Table Set. Space-saving and versatile, these round nesting tables feature a modern vintage style with matte black metal bases and wood-patterned tops. Constructed from high-quality particle board and steel legs, they're sturdy and durable. Adjustable non-slip feet ensure stability on any surface. The nesting design offers flexibility. Use individually or stacked for compact storage. With sizes ranging from 15.7 to 23.6 inch diameter, these tables add functionality and elegance to living rooms or small spaces. Marrakesh Gallery Pouf Cover. Enhance your decor with this handcrafted leather pouf, offering a blend of boho charm and practicality. Made from genuine goat leather with hand-stitched embroidery, it adds authenticity and coziness. Sustainably crafted using vegetable tanning and natural dyes, it's odor-free and eco-friendly. Ideal as a footrest, low seat, or decorative element. It suits various settings and is available in multiple colors and sizes, making it a versatile and stylish addition to your space. FDW Wood Rim Divider. Eco-friendly and handcrafted, this room divider offers a natural and sustainable solution for privacy and space separation. Each screen panel is 66.9 inches tall and 15.75 inches wide, crafted from polished wood chips for durability and a natural aesthetic. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to store when not in use. The environmentally friendly materials and hand-woven design bring a touch of nature indoors, making it perfect for homes or offices. Aloe Antique Gold Globe Chandelier. Featuring an Art Deco-inspired design, this chandelier blends antique gold finishes with clear crystals for an elegant look. Compatible with E26 bulbs, it offers dimmable lighting when paired with a dimmer switch. Adjustable chains allow versatile hanging lengths from 21 to 83 inches. At 12 inches wide and 15 inches tall, it's an ideal choice for illuminating living rooms, dining areas, foyers, or kitchen islands with sophistication and style. Decor Hexagon Acoustic Panels. Combining functionality with style, these soundproof panels are easy to install using peel and stick adhesive. Made from eco-friendly, high-density polyester fiber, they boast a noise reduction coefficient of 0.92, effectively absorbing high-frequency sounds. The hexagonal bevel design offers a modern touch, allowing creative DIY patterns for room decor. Perfect for studios, home theaters, or offices, these panels reduce echoes and enhance acoustics while being safe to touch and odor-free. Sizzle Modern Acrylic Folding Chair. Compact and stylish, these clear acrylic folding chairs combine minimalistic design with practicality. Measuring 15.75 by 29.53 inches when open, they fold down to just 1.97 inches thick for space-saving storage. Polished acrylic construction ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic, blending seamlessly into modern or contemporary decors. With a load capacity of 400 pounds and rounded corners for safety, they're perfect for dining, events, or any setting requiring functional elegance. Indian Shelf Boho Wall Hooks. Handmade from premium brass, these sturdy hooks are rust-proof, waterproof, and long-lasting. The package includes 3 hooks with gold screws and anchors, carefully packed to prevent damage. Ideal for hanging items in mudrooms, kitchens, or bathrooms, Their intricate design adds a boho touch. Backed by a 1-year warranty, these hooks offer both decorative flair and practical functionality, making them suitable for indoor or outdoor use in homes or offices. NUR Infinity Spiral LED Table Lamp. This modern spiral lamp combines artistic design with functionality, offering touch-controlled, dimmable LED lighting. Its 3 color settings, warm white, neutral, and cool white, cater to various moods and spaces, from bedrooms to offices. Energy efficient and long-lasting, it eliminates the need for bulb replacements. The minimalist aesthetic complements any decor, providing soft, ambient light or brighter illumination for reading or studying, making it a stylish and versatile addition to your space. As we wrap up our journey through the top 20 interior design trends for 2025, it's clear that this year is all about blending timeless elegance with modern innovation. Whether you're updating a single room or reimagining your entire space, these trends offer something for every style and personality. Ready to bring these ideas to life? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices on must-have decor and design essentials. If this video sparked inspiration, give us a thumbs up, share it with your design-savvy friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay in the loop with all our newest content, tips, and reviews. Hey race to making 2025 your most stylish year yet.